everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some interesting craft for your kids, so watch the video till the end. So here first we are making a caterpillar using these bushy leaves. Roll it like this. Now we will make its ears, stick it, make its eyes, and then we will make its legs, and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some beautiful crafts. So for that, we'll be needing these Christmas tree leaves. Stick them using the double-sided tape on the white sheet. Now take the empty peanut shell and stick them. So here we will make cute bunnies using the peanut shells. Color them and your bunnies are ready. Next, we will take orange peel like this. Empty it. Now stick it on the white sheet one by one. We will make a caterpillar. Stick its eyes, draw its ears, legs, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking clay like this and then make the grasses and spread it. Now we will take pink color clay and make the tree like this. Now take the tissue papers and then press it inside the clay like this one by one, and your painting is ready. Next, take a leaf like this and then stick it on the white sheet. Now stick its eyes, nose. So here we are making an owl. Stick the stars and moons, and it's ready. Next, using these dry bushy leaves, we will make a hen. So first we will make its body by sticking it like this, make its beak, eyes and its legs. Now take an empty peanut shell and paste it to make the chicks. Now draw their legs and it's ready. Next, take a clay and spread it like this on the sheet. Take white color clay and press it using the fingers. Put the yellow clay in the between. Draw the stems and leaves using the clay. Make a ladybird using red color clay. Draw its body and legs, and it's ready. Next, take a white color paper and then put the double-sided tape on it like this. Now take these bushy leaves and roll it and then paste it on the white sheet. Now take a red color sheet and paste it like this on the bushy part like this, and your turtle is ready. Next, take a brown sheet and draw the lines on it like this. Now take the eggshell, put the glue inside it like this, and then paste the eggshells one by one. Now we will stick the face of the sheep and its legs, and it's ready. Next, take a white paper like this and then fold it and make a shape like this. Now take the red color paper and make the wings of the ladybird. Now we will make its body, draw the lines on it, draw its face, and your ladybird is ready. Next, take a blue sheet like this and draw the leaves on it using green marker. Now we will make the duck like this on it, draw its eyes, and then we will make small baby ducks like this using yellow color paper, draw the grasses and water, and it's ready. Next, take a brown paper and draw the branch of the tree. Now draw the lines like this. Now taking green color clay, we will make the leaves like this. Stick it one by one. Now make some birds over it, and it's ready. Next, take a white color clay and press it on the green sheets like this. Spread it using the fingers. Now take a white color tissue paper, cut it into small pieces and put it inside the clay using the stick like this. Now make the face of the sheep and legs. Now we will make the fence, and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the branches of the tree. Now put the dots of the clay like this. Now we will make the grass and spread it using the fork like this. Now take a red color clay and make a ladybird, draw its face, and it's ready. Next, take a polythene bag like this and then put the color on it like this. Now press it on the white sheet and make the shape as we are doing in this video. Now draw the lines using the green marker, draw the leaves, and your bouquet is ready. Next, take a green color clay and put it on the white sheet like this. Now spread it using the fork. Now take the empty peanut shell and stick it on the white sheets as we are doing. Now draw their legs and beaks, and your birds are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a brown color paper and draw the branches of the tree. Now using the leaf, we will paste the prints of the leaf like this. Now make the grasses using the toothbrush, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.